Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add pattern to plot area of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add pattern to plot area of a chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click on the middle of this chart, select the plot area, then click right button on our mouse and go to plot area format. Then select the fill color and choose pattern fill. Then apply any pattern color. Otherwise, you change the pattern fill color. Then close the window. Now we can see here we added pattern fill to plot area of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.